Okay, guys, so it's time. लोग कितना और वेट करेंगे? टाइम हो गया फेस रिवील का. Yeah, I was like, it took me so long until I hit 400 subscribers. So yeah, I'm face revealing. I'm scared. Guys, this is a clip of my face reveal. Wait, let me show you guys what was done.